Geometry. Measuring and drawing line segments. Measuring line segments. This is a ruler. We use a ruler to measure and draw line segments. There are 15 big divisions on the ruler numbered from 1 to 15. Each big division is further subdivided into 10 small divisions. One big division is equal to 1 centimeter. One small division is equal to 1 millimeter. There are 10 small divisions of a big division. So, 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. Example, measure the length of the line segment PQ. Step 1. Place the zero mark of the ruler at point P and adjust the edge of the ruler along the line segment. Step 2. Look at the other point Q of the line segment that coincides with the 8 cm mark on the ruler. Thus, length of PQ is equal to 8 cm. Drawing line segments. Example, draw a line segment AB of length 6 cm. Step 1. Place the ruler on a paper and mark point A against the zero mark of the ruler. Step 2. Mark another point B against the 6 cm mark on the ruler. Step 3. Now join the points A and B and remove the ruler. AB is the required line segment. Curve. Curve is a line that is smoothly traced on a plane and has a bend or arc in it. Open curves. A curve having two endpoints is called an open curve. It does not enclose an area within itself. These are the examples of open curves. Closed curves. A curve having the same start and end points is called a closed curve. It encloses an area in itself. These are the examples of closed curves. Polygons. Polygons are defined as closed plane shapes made up of 3 or more line segments. There are different types of polygons. Let's understand them one by one. A triangle has 3 sides. A quadrilateral has 4 sides. A pentagon has 5 sides. Hexagon has 6 sides. Heptagon has 7 sides. Octagon has 8 sides. Nonagon has 9 sides. And decagon has 10 sides. Circle. A circle can be defined as a simple closed curve in which all the points on the curve are at the same distance from the center. This is the center of the circle. It is generally named with capital O. A straight line joining from the center of the circle to any point on the circle is called the radius of the circle. OR and OS are the radii of the circle. A line segment that joins any 2 points on a circle is called the chord of the circle. A chord that passes through the center of a circle is called the diameter of the circle. TU represents the diameter of the circle. We can draw an infinite number of diameters in a circle. The length of the boundary of a circle is called the circumference of the circle. Diameter equals to 2 multiplied by radius, or radius is equal to diameter by 2. Drawing a circle using a compass. Step 1. Set the pencil in the arm of the compass. Using a ruler, set both points of the arms at a distance equal to the radius of the circle. Step 2. Mark a point O. Place the pointed metal end of the compass on the paper at point O. Step 3. Keep the pointed metal end fixed at point O. Move the pencil around it till you reach the starting point. Thus, A circle with center O is constructed. Example: draw a circle with a radius of 4.2 centimeters. Step 1. Set the pencil in the arm of the compass. Using a ruler, set both points of the arms at a distance of 4.2 centimeters. Step 2. Mark a point O on the paper. Place the pointed metal end of the compass on the paper at point O. Step 3. Do not move the pointed metal end and move the pencil around it till we reach the starting point. Thus we get a circle of radius 4.2 centimeters.